welcome to my kitchen. My name's Bridget and my YouTube channel is Happily Homeschooling in Iowa. And I'm putting together a playlist with some other gals that I know on YouTube. And each month we're going to have a different theme. It's all going to be in the kitchen, showing you a recipe based on the theme of the month. And for July, the theme of the month is summer drinks. So today I'm going to show you how we make a blueberry banana smoothie. I start with 2 cups of low-fat milk. Now you can use almond milk, you can use even heavy whipping cream and any milk in between. You can use juice, but we prefer low-fat milk. Now, one thing that I do is I peel and freeze our bananas. So I put 2 whole bananas in this little chunks here. And then I'll mix this together. This is not a big enough cup, so let me get a bigger cup. And then I add the blueberries in. So let me grab a bigger mixing container. Okay, this will work better. This is going to be 2 servings, so if you were doing 1 serving, you would do half a cup of blueberry, 1 banana, and 1 cup of milk. So let's put this in a larger container. So I'll mix these together. I use an immersion blender. Since the banana's frozen, it does take a little longer to mix it. You can use fresh banana and of course fresh blueberries as well. I freeze my bananas because I don't want them to go bad before we use them, and we don't have any fresh blueberries here right now, so frozen. Berries are a little messy. I just usually use a little bit of bleach, and whatever stain might be on my counter comes right up. There you have it, blueberry banana smoothies for our summer. You can also check out my website at www.happilymhomeschoolinginiowa.com, and I think maybe cooking or in the kitchen, I have some other smoothie recipes as well. But for today, it's banana and blueberry. If you have a favorite smoothie, I would love to hear how you make your smoothies in the comments. How is it?
It's really good.
Really good. Nice and cold.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my playlist of other YouTubers and their favorite July summer drinks. Thanks, and have a good day.